Good morning, students. In our today's class, uh, we are continuing with our previous topic, which we are discussing in our last video. So, I am again revising the topics from this, and we are having the electrophilic substitution reactions. In this electrophilic substitution reactions, what we observed in this, that the aniline which have the lone pair of electron and increases the electron density on the benzene ring. That's why the ortho and the para positions of the aniline are electron rich in the nature. So both kind of the products are formed in the reaction where we have in electrophilic substitution reactions. For example, if we have orthobromination, then what we observe, when bromine group attacks reacts with the aniline, it will react attached to the ortho position, because ortho position is the electron rich position. So one possible condition is the product will be ortho in the nature. Product will be ortho in the nature. Now in the second condition, where we have the second possibility is that para position is also the electron rich. So the next possible product will be the para products in this case. It means the both kind of products will form when we have the electrophilic substitution in these reactions. So how we will decide that which product is formed in the large quantity? The para product will form in the large quantity, or the ortho product will form in the large quantity. So this thing we have to study by the acylation of the aniline, through which we control the reactivity of the amine and the one product which we will get in the large quantity. So here some reactions are given as the example. The first reaction which is given is halogenation reaction. So when we react the aniline with the Br2, when we react the aniline with bromine, then in the presence of H2O, then we have the product, and this product is 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, which we will get by the halogenation of the aniline in this particular reaction. Now question comes in our mind that how the reactivity of these anilines will controlled in this condition, or how we will get the major product in this. When we have the acylation of aniline ring, then what is the effect of this acylation is? So first of all, we observe that in this first reaction, this NH2 group is present. When we react this CS3CO H2O, this is acetic anhydride group. When we react with this acetic anhydride, hydrogen is liberated from this and one group from this. So CS3 COOH is liberated from the aniline. Then we react this and we have NH double bond O CS3. This group is added on the particular aniline. So this is known as acylation. Okay, the product which we have is acetanilide. Now, the halogenation of acetanilide will take place. Halogenation of acetanilide will take place. In this, we have two type of the products. Two possible products are formed. So one is ortho-bromoacetanilide and para-bromoacetanilide. So this is the para-bromoacetanilide, and the second product which we have is ortho-bromoacetanilide. This is ortho-bromoacetanilide we have. Now in the next step we have the hydrolysis of these products. So this para-bromo product is formed in major quantity, ortho-bromo product is formed in minor quantity. When hydrolysis of both these products takes place, then we will get the products as para-bromoaniline. This is para-bromoaniline, and another product is ortho-bromoaniline. Para-bromoaniline and ortho-bromoaniline. This is major product and this is minor product. So the basic effect of this acylation, we observe that acylation controls the reactivity of the amines. यानी एसाइल ग्रुप क्या करता है, amines की reactivity को कंट्रोल करता है. Due to this, the major product is para in this condition. First we get the para-bromoacetanilide, then it will convert into the para-bromoaniline as a major product in this particular reaction. This thing is also applied in the other reactions of the amine which we have. For example, this is the explanation of halogenation. Now we have the second reaction given in our syllabus is nitration. So what we have in case of nitration of the amines? In this nitration reaction, basically second reaction is nitration. In this nitration reaction, we have the nitration of amine. This is the amine. When we react this amine with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid, this is known as a nitrating mixture. Temperature condition 293 Kelvin. When we react the aniline with this nitrating mixture, we have three different kind of the products in this case. So this first, second, ortho, meta, para, all these three types of products we will get in that particular case. In this first, we have the nitro group there on para position in meta, and in this second structure NO2 group is on meta position and is third it is present on ortho position. So this first is Okay, so these three products which we have in this, but the percentage amount is different. 51% of para, 47% of meta product, and at least very least amount about 2% is of ortho nitroaniline is formed. In this case, if we react this with the acylation, अगर हम इस एनिलीन का पहले एसाइलेशन करवाएं और एसाइलेशन कराने के बाद फिर इसका नाइट्रेशन कराएं, उस केस में जो बनने वाले प्रोडक्ट्स होंगे वो डिफरेंट होंगे. सो सी व्हाट वी ऑब्जर्व इन दिस इज द NH2 aniline. When we add the acyl group on this, so this is acylation. When we add acyl group on aniline, NH C double bond O CH3. So this is acetanilide. When we have acetanilide and now nitration of this acetanilide HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4. acetanilide जो है आपको उसका नाइट्रेशन करना है. So in this case same pattern is followed. We have para product and ortho product in this condition. So first is para nitroacetanilide. First product is para nitroacetanilide and the second product is ortho nitroacetanilide. Ortho nitroacetanilide. This is an ortho group. Ortho nitroacetanilide we are having in this. So this is para nitroacetanilide and this is ortho nitroacetanilide. Okay. Now in next step the major product, here the para product is the major and the ortho product is minor in that case. When we have the hydrolysis of this para nitroacetanilide, then we have the names of these acetic acid liberated in this hydrolysis process and we get the para nitroaniline as a major product. Para nitroaniline as a major product and ortho nitroaniline as a minor product. Ortho nitroaniline as a minor product. So this is para nitroaniline and ortho nitroaniline which we have in this condition. So major product is para product in this condition. So by the acylation we are controlling the reactivity of the group which is present there on the benzene ring. It means NH2 group की reactivity को हम acylation से control करते हैं and one product which we will get in the major quantity. So both these reactions we have discussed. Now third reaction is Friedel-Crafts reaction. So what we have in this Friedel-Crafts reaction of the anilines, we will discuss this reaction. Basically in this Friedel-Crafts reaction, aniline we have as Lewis-Pace Friedel-Crafts reaction. In this Friedel-Crafts reaction, aniline we are having in this is uh, another reagent is AlCl3. This is behaving like a Lewis acid. Okay, we have already discussed these terms in our previous classes that what is the meaning of the Lewis acid or Lewis base is. Lewis base means which have the capacity to donate the electron pair. It means in this aniline C6H5 NH2, ये इसका फॉर्मूला है. So here lone pair is present on the nitrogen atom. Due to the presence of the lone pair, aniline have tendency to donate the electron pair. That's why it behaves like a Lewis base. Okay. In second case, AlCl3 is behave like a Lewis acid. So when the reaction takes place between them, we observe that C6H5 NH2, this is aniline, and when reacts with aluminium trichloride, we know that deficiency of electron is present on aluminium. So this lone pair of nitrogen transfers towards the aluminium, and we have C6H5 NH3 plus AlCl3 minus as a salt in this particular case. So here this salt which is formed, which we are having is NH2 AlCl3 minus. In this acts as a strong electron withdrawing group. In this species, NH2 plus AlCl3 minus behaves like a strong electron withdrawing group. Strong electron withdrawing group. So due to this reason, reduces the electron density on the benzene ring. Reduces the electron density on benzene ring. बेंजीन रिंग पर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी जो है उसको डिक्रीज कर देता है. तो ड्यू टू दिस रीजन aniline does not show the reactions like alkylation or acylation. Okay, due to this reason aniline does not show the reactions like alkylation and acylation reactions. Aniline does not show the reactions like alkylation reactions. Okay, so these some electrophilic substitution reactions which we have discussed even in our book. Now next thing we have the topic related to this is separation of the amines. So separation of amines is included the method where we differentiate the primary amines, secondary amines and tertiary amines. So we will discuss the separation methods in our next video. Thank you.